Mwaria wa thirikari dagitari Mwaura niarugorete mutaratara wa ugai wa irio kuri bamiri iria citehotete muthenya wa umuthi hindi ya mehariria mambura ma Ramadhan, akiuga thirikari niirigiriirwo kuhuthira makiria ma ciringi mirioni 124.
The government is distributing foodstuff worth Kenya shillings 124,524,500 to needy and deserving Muslim hustler families in the counties of Nairobi, Mombasa, Kwale, Kilifi, Lamu, Tana River, Citehotete.
Mwaura ni atogerete itua ria mutongoria wa bururi dagitari William Ruto ria kwamura atumia 16 ta mabarothi ya bururi wa Kenya nja wa bururi aria ni wakiri Caroline Kamede uria wirigirirwo kuruta wira muciini munene wa Canada, Catherine Kiruba akiruta wira bururi-ini wa Ngeretha, Ann Kisaka akiruta wira bururi-ini wa Senegal, hamwe na Jessica Muthoni akiruta wira muciini munene wa Morocco.
On other issues of national importance, yesterday, His Excellency the President William Ruto reaffirmed the government's commitment to women's empowerment by appointing 16 women to ambassadorial positions, an icing on the cake to mark the International Women's Day.
O hindi iyo Mwaura ni anyitete mbaru itua ria kuhurira ndebe mutongoria wa mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga ta muikariri giti wa kiama kia urume wa mabururi ma gitaro kia Afrika, amu giturwa giki ni giguteithiriria ukuria wa bururi.
The President received the National Dialogue Committee report from the co-chairs, that is Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah and Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, the former Vice President. The government remains committed to implementing the report, which intends to anchor affirmative action into law and therefore crafting of a framework towards the achievement of the two-third gender rule.
Gukiri uguo, Mwaura ni ahandite murugamo muhio wa ciiko cia njuragano ya andiki ya nenda cia ukinyaniria na iria ciongererekete na njira nene, kuona ica ikuhi ni njuragano ya mwandiki umwe ti Peris Mugera kuma kaunti-ini ya Tharaka-Nithi.
The government wishes to condemn in the strongest of terms the persistent killings of bloggers, and you've seen the latest one being in Tharaka-Nithi County.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.